My name is Narendra Hermawan, and today I'm going to present about NGN policies, or Next Generation Network. So, Next Generation Network is a packet-based network able to provide telecommunication services and able to make use of multiple broadband. Of course, NGN has policies to regulate how NGN operates and many other things. So, who regulates or supervise NGN? Next. The one who regulates NGN is divided into two. The first one is the services, and the second one is the network. For services, KPI is the one who monitors it. So, who is KPI? KPI, or Komisi Penyiaran Indonesia, is an independent broadcasting agency in Indonesia that functions as a regulating body for broadcasting companies in the country. And for the network, it is regulated by Telecommunication Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, or Kominfo. So the goal of Kominfo is to make information and communication development effective and efficient to bring prosperous information society on the frame of the Republic of Indonesia. So there is also general policy and technical regulation of NGN. The general policy covers the awareness of NGN, collaboration among stakeholders, adjustment of license structure, consistent competition policies, migration strategy of NGN, including timing strategy, export government incentive, local content policy of NGN, and implementing universal service obligation. And for the technical regulation, it covers interconnection and tariff, numbering, quality of service, security, standardization, and migration from IPv4 to IPv6. So next. So of course, there are many challenges that occur in NGN implementation. So these are three major challenges that occurs. The first one is from economic perspective. So for example, there are two companies that work in the same field. In order to make more profit, the company may be relied on price war. So this company may lower their prices, their price, their service price in order to gain more market share. This may cause an unhealthy competitive relationship between those companies. And the strategy also correlated with the quality of service assurance, because this company lowered their price for its services. The budget to maximize its service is also lower, thus getting a bad quality assurance. The second challenge is from access perspective. As we all know that the infrastructure technology in Indonesia is not equally uniform. So to achieve easy access, it is quite hard. Recalling companies want to lower their budget in order to gain more market share. The last challenge is from interconnection perspective. So there are cross services and cross platform. In cross services and cross platform, there are many service providers that connected in a single NGN network. And there is also switch into IP based. So basically, the user switch from regular network to packet based network. Next. So these are the solutions to tackle those challenges that I mentioned earlier. The first one is optimize the economic regulation. By optimizing the regulation, an effective yet healthy competitive relationship will be created. Also, the quality of service assurance will be better. The quality of service also can be paired with government incentive with a certain condition to elevate it even higher. The next solution is fiberization. By fiberize all the connection in Indonesia, easy and faster connection will be created. This will solve most of the slow connection that occurs in Indonesia. The third solution is fiber to home access. Fiber to home access is the installation and use of optical fiber from a central point directly to individual buildings, such as residents, apartment buildings, and businesses, to provide high-speed internet access. So Fiber to home access dramatically increase connection speeds available to computer user compared with technology that use now. The last solution is the Universal Service Obligation or USO. USO is long-standing consumer protection that ensures everyone has access to landline telephones and payphone regardless where they live or work. So the solution will tackle the hard connection that usually occurs in rural areas. So the people that lives in rural area can enjoy and access the same technology as we are. So yeah, that is for my presentation. So